We're gonna put some oil in the pan. The pan's already hot. Just gotta make sure it's very hot. And then we're gonna melt the anchovies. I haven't done one of these videos in a long time, so bear with me. I don't cook much more anymore. The lady who's holding the camera actually has been working for me for 8 years. And I would have to say she's almost better than me. So there you go. We're gonna melt the anchovies. We're gonna put the onions in. I would say let's put the fresh baby tomatoes in as well, because we want to melt them out. There you go. Alright, we're gonna put the mushrooms in, but you gotta be careful. The mushrooms, they're gonna suck all the oil in. There you go. Like I said, all the oil is gone. Don't worry, we're using premium olive oil. There you go. We're gonna put the sun-dried tomatoes in and all the oil. This is delicious. As you can see, the fresh tomatoes are starting to melt. We're gonna add some capers. Make sure nothing is sticking in the pan. We're gonna put some black olives. I just use some regular black olives. Who cares? And we're gonna add some broccoli inside. That's pretty good actually. And we're gonna do some basil, fresh basil, because it's the way it is. You see the tomatoes are getting a little bit brown here. We're gonna add some wine. We're gonna deplate everything, then add the pre-cooked pasta inside. And then you will ask me, Ian, isn't this going to burn out or whatever? This is where we're gonna cheat a little bit. We're gonna add a little bit of chicken stock in the middle. There you go. We have some pepper. I would caution you on the salt because the anchovies are very salty. The sun-dried tomatoes are very salty as well. And they just burn. I just jack up the fire. What I want to do is reduce the chicken stock so it all goes into the pastas. This is awesome. Like I said before, don't add salt in this. The anchovies are very, very salty. And if you come over here, you're gonna see all this chicken stock or water is all gonna reduce and give it a good flavor. But you wanna make sure to mix the pan all the time. Otherwise your pasta at the bottom is gonna get very soggy. The pasta on the top is gonna get very dry. So you just go around and just mix them up a little bit. And as you can see, these are sun-dried tomatoes, and these are just fresh tomatoes, but they're gonna melt the same way these are. We're almost there. Now, if you want it, you could add some cream in it to make it like a rosé pasta, but it's not my style. I'm Italian. I want my shit to be fresh and cool. If you come over again, you see the water in the pan here? It's getting smaller and smaller, getting reduced. That's delicious. You see where the water is now? It's almost done. So that means that we're almost good to go. Okay, this is perfect. Alright, we're gonna move over here. There we go. Just jack it up. Put the veggies on top here. And if you back up a little, we're just going to do some fresh grated cheese on top. And if you want to spice up your life, take a lime on top and just Drop a line on top there and mix it inside the cheese, right? Just mix it inside, put it up. We're gonna make a little bundle here, watch this. And then put it on top here. There you go. You saw it? It just fell through. Put a little bit more. And this is how we eat in Italy. We just throw up shit, good quality shit of course, and we just put it